So obviously it's a bit noisy being a bike engine, but that's the theatre of it all, really. You want that noise. And what boost are we on, Tony?
Middle setting.
Middle settings, about what? 8 psi, 280 of the wheels. So, well, I know what Hayabusa Turbo goes like, so this is going to be way up there. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Well, that's accelerating. If I had hair, I wouldn't have any more. That's ridiculous. Lighting up the back wheels, absolutely lighting it up. Pretty much any gear, I reckon, but yeah. Here she goes. Woo! Yeah, man! Yeah. For the road. You'd never get tired of that. That is rapid. And you're not even really leaning on it, are you? Not really. We didn't even get a shift. Yeah, we're touching 8. Look, we're on the road. We're being a little bit more sensible, but that's bonkers. Bonkers. Love it.
That was another 100 horsepower.
Yeah, we don't need another 100 horsepower switch. We've got one, but we don't need that. That is, wow. What a machine. What a machine. Oh, that's awesome. Awesome. If Tony ever sells this car, buy it. Buy it. Trust me, buy it.